How to fix iPhone freezing on apps in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, we're solving the problem of iPhones freezing on apps in iOS 18.1. I'll walk you through quick steps to fix this issue. Let's get started. First, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Locate the freezing app and swipe upward to close it completely. Reopen the app to check if the issue is resolved. If it is not resolved, open the App Store and go to Updates. Check if the problematic app has an update available. Install the update to ensure compatibility with iOS 18.1. To update your iPhone's software, go to Settings, then tap on the General, select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. If the issue persists, go to Settings, go to General, scroll down, go to Reset, then reset all settings. This will restore default settings without deleting your data. Then press and hold the power button along with the volume button until the power off slider appears. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. If none of the above steps work, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. And that's it! These steps should help you fix any freezing issues with your apps in iOS 18.1. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. See you in the next video.